Hello everyone, welcome to Entrepreneur Talks. I am Dr. Shalini Gugnani, Vastu Consultant, today host at Entrepreneur Talks. आज हमारे साथ है ऐसी फैशन मैन्युफैक्चरर जिनके कपड़ों में थ्रेड ही नहीं फैशन भी बुनता है, तो आइए मिलते हैं मिस नेहा तलवार. हाय.
Thank you, Shalini, for hosting me. I'm really glad to be here. Thank you.
आप किस टाइप के फैशन गारमेंट्स मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं?
We basically manufacture for everyone, like women's, men's, kids, accessories like scarves, stoles, maybe a table runner or a cushion. We work under both the circumstances as in woven garments as well as knit garments. So we have a very good capacity of handling sourcing as well.
क्या आप रेडीमेड ब्रांड्स के लिए भी मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं या वाइट लेबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होती है?
We usually manufacture for both brands and we white label them according to their brand, their preference, and everything. I think whenever they have any requirement for the industry, as in for the brand, so they give us a tech pack and we follow the tech pack very strictly. In case of any query or concern, we really ask buyer. So there are major concerns when we actually say no to a garment. We usually do everything. So we try to build a good rapport with the buyer.
आपके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट का डेली या मंथली जो प्रोडक्शन यूनिट है वो कितना है?
See, as of now, we can handle 10,000 to 12,000 pieces per month, but depending on what we are handling. For example, if it is a knit garment, then we can go up to 20,000 pieces per month also. But simultaneously, if we have to manufacture women's garment or woven garments, then definitely 12,000 max we can handle, but we are scaling up very quickly.
आप किस किस तरह के फैब्रिक्स के साथ काम करते हैं?
When you take fabric as a commodity in garments, we deal in basically all type of fabrics except nylon. So it can be a cotton blend, polyester, it can be viscose. The cotton is natural fiber, and except from natural fiber, we have polyester as a man-made fiber. So viscose is more organically grown because it can from a tree, right? So we can handle those type of fabrics also. Except from that, we can handle organic fabrics right now, which are into boom. Yeah, international market has a very good demand on organic fabrics.
Really?
So we can do bamboo, we can do corn-based fabrics.
This is interesting.
Yeah. So there are lot of varieties. Even tencel is very in right now. Lyocell is very in. Viva fabrics are very in. So it can vary depending on the buyer actually.
क्वालिटी कंट्रोल के लिए आप क्या प्रोसेस फॉलो करते हैं?
See, quality control is a very difficult task to handle though. But we have certain parameters to handle that. We have 3-stage parameters here. When fabric is received in the premises of our manufacturing unit, the fabrics checks are there. Then on cutting table, there is a check if there is any defect which has been neglected during the fabric checking. Then in the stage of production, we have 2 checks, in the line check as well as on the initial. And then there is the final inspection which happens in the finishing department.
Okay.
And then the final one which a QC does. It can be a third party QC or an internal QC. We make reports and provide it to our buyers. And this is how we actually do it. But they are all different parameters of doing a quality check. There can be 1.5 AQL. There can be 2.5 AQL. It all depends on the buyer. So we provide as they want.
So I think that means quality assurance is really one thing you guys really take care of.
Yeah, I think we have established a brand in the industry right now, and because of the quality which we have been providing, we have certain number of buyers. They don't do third-party QC, but we ensure the quality for up to coming like 6 months or a year also. So I think we have been continuously doing work for them, and we have been really good.
क्या आप लो MOQ orders भी accept करते हो?
Yes, sometimes yes. In Kriyansh Apparels, we usually help buyers and brands to develop. Okay, that's our forte.
Cool.
So I've been handling the sales and marketing of the company as an MD. So I handle all the international buyers as well as domestic. So when it comes to new brand, I really think they should get some factory who can help them develop. They might be having a MOQ of 100 pieces to 200 pieces sometimes per design also. So we help them manufacture that with definitely quality conscious. That's our forte and USP also. So yes, we do that. Even lower than 100 MOQs also.
Oh, that's awesome. So what do you think कि आपके साथ जो clients हैं वो long term के लिए इतने टाइम से जो जुड़े हुए हैं, वो क्या वजह हो सकती है जिसके लिए वो आपके साथ आज तक जुड़े हुए हैं?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब इंटरनेशनल मार्केट की बात आती है, आई गेट जेल अप विद मोस्ट ऑफ द डिफरेंट country people and the culture. So I think I understand them well, and I provide very free talk with them so that they can make me understand what they want. I help them sometimes to choose things. Except from me in the factory, I have a very good team, merchandising team, who is very experienced from like 22 years.
Oh,
yeah. They some people are 22 years old in the industry, some are 7 years old, some are 10 years old. So they also have been into the industry, so we understand the language of the buyer and we give service, quality and on timely delivery. I think that's the 3 parameters which we have been consistently working in this international market, and people love doing business with us.
So as you have told me about your international clients and obviously you must be exporting, तो किन किन countries में आप export करते हैं?
मैंने अपने करियर में जो फर्स्ट कंट्री एक्सपोर्ट किया था, इट वाज यूके. आई एम स्टिल डूइंग इट. Except from UK, I am handling USA, Europe, Portugal, Ireland, even some islands also. Majorly, the trade agreements have been signed with Australia, so we are working with Australia right now also. Some islands, as I told you, it can be Miami also. So we actually send the goods there also.
So जो आप export कर रहे हैं, so basically आप sea का माध्यम use करते हैं या by air generally?
For small MOQs, definitely air. So we are very near to Delhi, so we use Delhi airport most of the time for the lower MOQs. But for the higher MOQs and volume, we definitely work with sea also. Some buyers have the concern of doing lesser freights, so we use Mumbai port, Nhava Sheva most of the time, or other ports also in case there is any preference of the buyer or any logistic company they have been associated with. Aside from that, we help buyers to deliver the product door to door, which help buyer not to be concerned about the documentation or the logistics sometimes. We get that support also.
Oh, that's very nice. So thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके basically पूरा डिटेल में आपके प्रोडक्शन लाइन को समझने में. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for hosting me.